How to share your location on maps.me. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your location on maps.me. So the first step is to open the maps.me application and then locate your position, okay? That is where you are exactly. So once you've located your position, the next step is to long press on your current location or the place you want to share. Once you've long pressed, a pin will be dropped, and once a pin has been dropped, the next step is for you to share. So move to the bottom part of the screen here, then tap on the share icon, and then another page will be displayed, or another box instead will be displayed, showcasing applications or contacts that you can share your location to. So just select the application. Then after selecting the application and that's loaded, select the recipient. All right. Then after selecting the recipient, send it and drop it, and that's where your location has been shared. It's as simple as that. So once shared, the recipient would receive a link to the exact location on maps.me. So this is how you can share your location on maps.me. Go ahead, try it out, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.